Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share top text message scams, scam text messages with your name, and what to do with scam text messages. With the high cost of health insurance, the opportunity to save thousands is tempting. This text scam goes into high gear during open enrollment, November through January. The scammer charges the premium to your credit card for a bogus insurance policy. Even though the Postal Service does not use text messaging, fake USPS package delivery scams are still common. This USPS text has a Philippine phone number, and the website link does not take you to USPS.com. Some are more sophisticated, but the link screams scam text message. Like government agencies, companies recruiting employees do not use text messages. Phony job offer scams can be simple and vague, or more detailed, including type of work, pay, and hours. This German text offers up to $3,000 a day, working 1 hour for an unknown company. Like all scams, job offer scams are designed to get your personal information and steal your money. What's better than making $3,000 an hour than getting $500,000? Just verify your personal information and lose your money to scammers. Fake fraud alerts are another scam to obtain your personal information. Neither businesses nor financial institutions use text message fraud alerts. Most banks and credit card companies allow you to set email and text account alerts. Use these alerts to detect fraudulent activity. Unpaid toll text scams are another way to get your personal information and credit card number. The amount due is small, but with your credit card information, scammers can go on a buying binge. While most cell phone owners use text messaging, government agencies use snail mail, and definitely not Hotmail. One exception is wireless emergency alerts. Like the unpaid toll scam, unpaid traffic ticket text scams use fear to get you to act immediately. Like most scams, overdue toll and ticket scams have no personal information. That's what the scammer is after. Disputing these scams can cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. DMV scams are one type of imposter scam. Common imposter scams include the Internal Revenue Service, Sheriff's Department, City, County, or State Court, U.S. Postal Service, charities, political party, and campaign donation. With the wrong number scam, you get a vague text message like "Hi" or "Missed you at the gym." If you reply they've reached the wrong number, the scammer strikes up a friendship and then may share their secrets for high-return, low-risk investments. You are directed to a bogus investment website where you lose your entire investment. With so many people dependent on credit cards, receiving a text that your account has been frozen is intimidating. Do not reply, call any number, or click on any links. Call the customer service number on the back of your card or log into your account for verification. In the past, scammers went door to door, offering home repair and improvement estimates. Text messaging simplifies the process. Do not reply, delete. If you need an estimate, call companies directly. Romance text scams usually begin on a social media or dating site. and progresses to text messaging. As soon as money is mentioned, it's a scam. Most scam text messages exclude personal information. Receiving these texts does not mean scammers have your cell phone number. They can be robo-text. Just like scammers use robocalls, robo-text messages can target millions of people. A 1% in a million reply rate means 10,000 potential victims. Some text messages include your name and location. They appear to be from a local business. Text phone numbers can be spoofed. In less than 1 week, I received 5 texts for free estimates and business loans. Scammers having your name, location, and phone number can be due to a data breach, obtained from public records, or bought from a data broker and posted on the dark web. The takeaway is, even when text messages include your name and location, assume it's a scam, delete it, and report it. Text scams target people of all ages. To prevent being a victim, never reply to the sender, never click on links, and never call a phone number. This text scam has what appears to be a Seattle, Washington phone number, but calls can be forwarded to scammers anywhere in the world. Replying to dispute a fine, bill, or freeze connects you to a representative needing your personal information to investigate the problem. Instead, forward the message to 7726, provide the sender's phone number if available, and delete the message. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.